Daytime return investigation. It is like, what time is it? Like 10 or 11 or some shit.
8:52 a.m.
Never mind, it's 8:52 a.m. We've been here 2 minutes and we already heard the sound of what sounds like metal being dragged across the floor. Kind of fucking creepy. But nothing has really happened since then that we can think of or have noticed. There's something in here? Well, I heard that. I genuinely, I thought somebody else was in here fucking with stuff. It sounded like a long, like a pipe, like a long pipe being kind of like drug or rolled across the floor.
Or someone trying to pull like a metal door open or something.
Some shit like that. Yeah, it was fucking creepy. Definitely was creepy. I'm way too bitch to go deep into it now, though. Way too bitch.
Fuck that shit.
Is there anything here? Do you see that? Like an animal or something. Like a mouse? Running across the floor?
Yeah, you saw it.
Yeah. Is anybody in here right now?
Last night when we heard that woman's voice, it came from that direction. Right?
And we keep hearing noises from that direction. Like, sounding like metal, kind of being fucked with. So, I'm kind of wanting to claim whatever happened over there as debunked. Especially considering, we already found out that there wasn't anything there like we originally thought there was and fucking freaked out about it. I mean, like I said, my initial reaction to whatever happened last night was I thought it was just like the sound of metal. You fucking hear that, right? I'm not going nuts right now. Yeah. Yeah, I'm freaking the fuck out. I'm wondering what that is. So that's freaking me out. Whatever that is, that sounds big. That's the kind of sound you would all...
Heavy as shit.
Yeah, that sounds heavy. That doesn't sound like something that would just move. That sounded off in the distance. You heard that, right? Can you move that for me again? So I know you're here? If we hear it again, we're getting out of here. It's a bat flying around up there. Or a bird. Move that object again. Yeah, it was. You want to go ahead and get out of here? Yeah, it's getting spooky. Let's get out of here.
see anybody?
No. Alright. That's the end of that. We're leaving now. And, yeah, spookified. 10 out of 10.